Hi everyone! Today we are going to be practicing our T sound. And we make T, well first, are you ready to get started? Can you tell me, I'm ready? There we go. Okay, let's get started with our T sound. So you go down and cross to make that letter T. We need to bring our tongue up when we say our T sound. So let's all smile and say t, 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 t. Good. Okay, let's get started. Ready? And our song goes like this. Every letter makes a sound. T says t, 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 t. Perfect. Now we're going to add in some sounds. Ready? Ta. We'll do it 3 times. Ta, ta, ta. Tay, tay, tay. T, t, t. Toe, toe, toe. Two, two, two. Good job on those sounds. One more time, ready? Ta. Ooh. Tay, T, toe, two. Nice work. Now we're going to practice some words. Ready? She is tall. Tall. This tells us the time. Time. And it says tick tock. Can you say that? Tick tock. Good. These flowers are called tulips. Tulips. This is the number. What number? 2. Good job. 2. This is a turtle. Turtle. Tea. You can drink some tea. One more time. Tea. Excellent. Good job. And now this is showing you the top of the bottle. Top, top, top. Nice job. Let's go through our words one more time. Ready? Tall. Time. Tick tock. Tulip. Turtle. What number? 2. Good job. You can drink tea. And this is the top. Awesome. Let's go through these one more time and then we're all done. You're doing such a great job. Ready? Ta, ta, ta. Tay, tay, tay. T, t, t. Toe, toe, toe. 2, 2, 2. Good, and that T sound says t, t, t. Wow, you did such great work today. We are all done with our T sound. I'll see you next time. Bye.